working from home today. The blizzard has arrived. Like, all roads are closed in the state. And, well, I'm snowed in this door. I cannot. I mean, I can push it. I'll push it. Oh my goodness. Here you go. So that means I have an entire house to myself all day today, probably all day tomorrow. And the coffee is going, it's quiet, it's so weird. And praying that the power stays on. Again, this whole thing is an adventure, one step at a time. And is there ever gonna be a dull moment in this? I think not. I am going to get through this entire orientation binder by tomorrow. It's going to get done. Here we go. Bon appetit.
So on this journey, we're trying to figure out our roles. So I'm doing different things that I normally don't do. So we got home Monday night at about 3 or 4 in the afternoon, and everything was fine. Tuesday, I get home from work and everything's fine. Not a big deal. Wednesday, I noticed that I'm wearing a sweatshirt, and then I put on this other sweatshirt on top of it because I'm so cold. And it didn't occur to me until Wednesday night, check the thermostat. Well, it was 55 degrees in our house because before we left for our trip to take Ashley up there, she turned the house down to 55, and she's the one that does everything on the thermostat. So it didn't even occur to me to think about looking at the thermostat. So it was 55 degrees in our house. That's why I was cold, but none of the kids said anything. So apparently our kids are like abominable snowmen or something. I have no idea.
These drifts are like nothing I have ever seen before. Minnesota feels like Florida right now. Snow day number 1. How long is this gonna last? I just had to share how much I desire to be like my neighbor. I handed her my phone to take a picture, and y'all, she absolutely had no idea what to do with my phone. She picked it up and she put it up to her face, asking, okay, now where do I look through? And I physically had to grab the phone, twist it around, and show her what button to push. How absolutely precious is that? The simplicity of her life is something we should all strive for. Here's my house, or my little condo, out walking, enjoying this lovely day that we're having here in North Dakota. There's no way in heck I'm gonna get my car out. None. Yo, okay, this is like the grandparent stories of, I walked 5 miles to and from school holding a rope attached to my house because I would walk in the blizzards. I don't even know why they sell shovels here, because they are not needed. Because you need a truck or a tractor. Tractors seem like the hot commodities here of plowing.